Prisoner at the bar, you stand convicted of murder. Have you anything to say why sentence of death should not be passed upon you?
Oh yea, oh yea, oh yea. My lords, the King's justices do strictly charge and command all persons to keep silence whilst sentence of death is passed upon the prisoner at the bar upon pain of imprisonment. God save the King.
Prisoner at the bar, you stand convicted of murder. The sentence of the court upon you is that you be taken from this place to a lawful prison, and thence to a place of execution, and that you be there hanged by the neck until you be dead, and that your body be afterwards buried within the precincts of the prison in which you shall have been confined before your execution. And may the Lord have mercy on your soul.